Hello wonderful viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some rainy words. As you know, nowadays rainy season going on. So I just wanted to share with you some rainy words so that you can learn some new words and you can enjoy this word using your story. Create your own story using this word. So I am going to also make a story how you can learn, how you can create your own story. So without any further delay, let's dive into the story. One day it started raining heavily. I grabbed my umbrella and went outside. I just wanted to feel some raindrop on my face, so I went outside. The clouds were dark and it started thundering in the sky. I saw flashes of lightning in the sky and I felt little scared. I walked up along the road and stepping into the puddles and feeling wetness on my feet. The raindrops fell on the umbrella and I noticed that I was getting wet in the rain and felt some dampness on my skin. As rain continued, I noticed a stray dog seeking shelter under the tree. I felt sorry for the dog and I heading towards the dog. I shared my umbrella over the dog and we both stayed dry and the dog wagged its tail happily, grateful for my kindness. We walked together in the rain, enjoying the drizzle and petrichor's scent. After some time, the rain started calm down and we both returned our respective home. I was glad that I make a new furry friend. I know I got drenched, but I was quite happy. After reaching home in the evening, my mom came to me and gave me a warm towel to dry myself. I started to dry myself and I sat beside the window and started gazing the raindrops. I was happy that I had made someone day special, amazing in the rain. After that, I had a cup of tea along with my parents and after some time I started doing my work. So that's all in this story. So guys, I hope you must have enjoyed this story. You must have learned new rainy words and please try to speak, make your own story and enjoy the rainy season these days. Try to speak these words, these new words what you have learned today and create your own story. This will help you to improve your fluency and definitely you also improve your vocabulary using the story, using the new words. So guys, if you like this video, if you are new over here on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icons. I will keep bringing new videos for you so that you can learn new words, new stories. You can create your own fake story and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.